Mula sa iba't ibang probinsya sa Bicol, 12 nagagandahang kandidata ang rumampa sa pagbabalik ng Miss Iriga ngayong taon. Napuno ng hiyawa ng Iriga City Sports Center sa bawat bahagi ng kompetisyon, mula sa production number, swimsuit competition at evening gown, hanggang sumabak na ang 10 finalists sa question and answer portion. Isa sa mga hurado si Miss Bicolandia 2022, Rima Adacoden, na mas tinimbang ang karakter ng kandidata.
I hope that you will continue fighting for your causes with or without the crowd. Just be happy because we're already given this opportunity to regain back our life that was postponed due to pandemic.
Unang tinawag bilang second runner-up ang tagabuhi na si Mary Claire Chavez. Humakot naman ng mga special awards ang first runner-up na si Marga Joy Saison ng Libon Albay. Nasungkit ni Rian Macy Zapata ng Daet Camarines Norte ang titulong Miss Bicol Tourism.
This is not an easy competition. I am surrounded with a lot of equally young, beautiful ladies, and especially not just from a certain place but from whole Rinconada and whole Bicol region. So,
Miss Rinconada ang tagabato na si Angela Shariza Tino.
nakakagaan sa loob na after all those painful hard works, ayan, it paid off.
Tinanghal si Zaira Shane Barcela bilang Miss Iriga 2023.
I am very much overwhelmed sa lahat ng nagsusupport sa akin, and thank you so much. I've been praying and waiting for this moment to come, and I thank God for giving me the opportunity, and I would love to work with the LGU for my advocacy. I am advocating for women empowerment, education, and volunteerism since I am an educator, and also I am a proud member of the Philippine Navy Reserve Force as a journalist officer 3rd class.
Inabangan din ang performance ng mga kapuso stars na si Ken Chan at Julian San Jose sa prestihiyosong beauty pageant sa Iriga. Bukod sa ilang special awards, nakatanggap ng 5,000 piso ang mga kandidata mula kay 5th District Congressman Migs Villafuerte. 50 piso hanggang 100 at 50,000 naman ang naiuwi ng mga nagwagi. May Dimaano, CSN.